everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, I do have the same exact outfit and makeup look to a video that I'm going to be posting soon, but I just had to do this. I'm going to be swatching 4 of my powder mattes. I know I only have 4. I actually gave 1 away because I didn't like it that much. Girl, I should have swatched it before I gave it away. They're not the best formula. They're not that drying and they're not hard to apply. They're actually very pigmented, but they don't look anything like the pictures. Like the nude ones look beautifully nude and brown and warm in the pictures. Then when I received them, I was like, wait, did I order this? Because it then does they no picture no it was, no, what? I like the formula, although they break. Like I had 5 of these, 4 of them broke. And I do the trick of Michelle Phan where she like sticks them both, like she melts the end and she sticks it in. I've done this 3 times because they just don't want to stick, and now I'm like, oh, that's why they were on sale, you know? I kind of prefer the creamy mattes, to be honest, and they last longer, but I really like the finish of this. It's like a creamy matte but with powder, because it's true, it's the powder lipsticks. And I know that MAC has a powder matte as well. Pretty sure that's better, but I can afford that shit, so you know, let's stick with the Maybellines. Yeah, let's just get into the swatches. To remove them, I'm going to be using the micellar water by Garnier. I have a video comparing this and this. This is the oil-infused micellar water. So if you want to see that, please hit that link up there. Okay, the last shade is called Almond Pink. I like this. This is my favorite out of the 5 that I bought. Although it broke on me also, so I had to glue that back on. Oh. Saw it right here, they break really easily. If you want to invest in like good matte lipsticks, maybe get the MAC ones, the powder mattes, I think, or even the Sunny's Face matte lipsticks. I hear good things about those. They are a little bit more pricey than the Maybelline ones, so I'm still trying to save for them, but I really want to try those out. There you have it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. You know what, I just realized I have a ring light in front of my window, and I'm right across another building that has a ton of people in them, and most likely they can see what I'm doing and what I'm wearing and what I'm doing, and like they're like, oh my gosh, it's a crazy person. You know what, I don't care. Hi. I don't care anymore. I don't care. I don't care. So there you have it, the 4 powder mattes from Maybelline. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like this video if you did. Comment down below if you like anything from the powder mattes line, or if you suggest me purchasing any other color that you think I'd like. And yeah, I would definitely appreciate you subscribing, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!